Hello everyone, my name is Chandrahasa GR, first year Computer Science and Engineering, and my innovation is about voice payment. Firstly, voice payment refers to a method of making financial transactions using voice commands. It involves using speech recognition technology. What are the uses of the voice payment? Firstly, convenience. Voice payment offer a hands-free and frictionless way to complete transactions, enhancing the overall user experience. Second one, security. Implementing robust security measures like voice biometrics helps ensure the identity of the user and prevents unauthorized access. Thirdly, privacy concerns. Addressing privacy concerns by allowing users to control the data collected and started during voice transactions is important for the user trust. Fourth one is accessibility. Ensuring the technology is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities, by focusing on inclusive design. And the last one, fraud prevention. Implementing advanced fraud election mechanisms to identify and prevent fraudulent voice transactions. Thank you.